The Dell OptiPlex 3060 mini PC is equipped with an impressive Intel Hexa Core i7-8700T processor, making it a powerful choice for both home office and business use. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional, this mini PC offers a modern and efficient operating system that enhances productivity and user experience. With 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory and a 1 terabyte NVMe M.2 SSD, it ensures fast boot times and ample storage for all your essential files and applications. The inclusion of Intel UHD Graphics 630 allows for dual monitor support, which is ideal for multitasking and improving workflow efficiency. Featuring the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, the device provides seamless online connectivity without the need for network cables, ensuring a stable and high-speed internet experience. This renewed mini PC comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse, making it ready to use right out of the box, and has undergone rigorous refurbishing to ensure excellent condition.